Hey guys, how are you doing today? I am back with a brand new story, and for starters I want to say hello to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora, Jordan, Oman, Saudi Arabia, wherever that you at. Please, we thank you so much for subscribing to this amazing channel. Just in case you haven't, go right ahead and tap on the subscribe button on your screen, and don't forget to comment, like and share our stories to your friends and family. Well, my name is Fula, and I'm going to be jazzing you about Eddy Kenzo and Belinda Myra, the new girlfriend, right there. Well, the Buzz UG, we promise to you anything that will be coming from Eddy Kenzo's camp that is big talent, we shall definitely be keeping you posted. And right now, we have something very, very new. And I should say, this is good news. Oh my God, you should start even smiling because this is good news. Now, you remember I told you about, Eddy Kenzo's new lover, that is Belinda Myra. I even gave you her biography here. Actually, if you haven't checked it out after listening to this story, just scroll down, you'll find it right there waiting for you. Now, the latest good news from Eddy Kenzo's camp, according to a close source, it indicates that Belinda Myra has already sown a live seed and it's busy growing in her stomach. Some of you may not really understand what I'm talking about, but I mean, she's pregnant. Yes, she's pregnant. Congratulations. That is good news, man. I want to hear you scream, hey, hey. Anyway, our close source from a big talent told us that the pregnancy is 4 or 5 months old, and I'm sure the ladies, you can tell how old that baby bump is right there by just looking at the pics flashing on your screen right there. We have been told that the excitement in big talent is too much. It is very, very serious in big talent. You know, Eddy Kenzo has a very big family, the dancers, the footballers, the fans, and according to a close source, all those people are very happy that beautiful Belinda is now pregnant. And actually, the buzz, we have seen part of the excitement on social media. Actually, some people have been seen congratulating Eddy Kenzo for the great work done day and night. Anyway, some people have gone ahead to suggest that the baby that is yet to be born should be called COVID Musuza. Huh? COVID Musuza? Really? Some people are suggesting that because, the baby has actually been made during COVID-19 times. So they're saying, yes, the baby should be called COVID Musuza. But Ugandans, you really joke a lot. Anyway, we congratulate Eddy Kenzo and all the fans. Eddy Kenzo sang a song that is called Nice and Lovely. And indeed, I should say, Belinda Myra is so nice and lovely. A woman who provides at the right time. That woman really deserves to be called nice and lovely. We just can't wait to see the beauty of what will be coming out of that tummy. And we're just so happy for Eddy Kenzo, man. Haters, I don't know what you're going to do, but hey, right here on the Buzz UG, we're so much excited for Eddy Kenzo. And this news is coming at a time he has a brand new album that is made in Africa. It is also doing very good. Basically everything is moving on so good. So congratulations, Eddy Kenzo, and we really wish you the best. So that is it, guys. Anything new that will be coming from that camp, definitely we are going to be keeping you posted about it. What we can tell you right now, subscribe to the Buzz UG. Don't forget to comment on our stories right here, and also like, share our stories to your friends and family. Hey, I was about to forget, tap on the bell. Yes, tap on the bell on your screen right there for all the notifications. My name is Fula, and I'll be right back in another story. Thank you.